This is the story of a man who had nothing. No money, no future, no hope. Until he discovered one simple, ancient secret. He started waking up at 5 a.m. every single morning. And in just 90 days, his entire life completely changed. What he did in those silent early hours will shock you, and it might just be the answer you've been searching for your entire life. Before we begin, I need to ask you something. What time are you watching this right now? And more importantly, what time did you wake up today? Drop a comment below. I read every single one. Now, let's begin. Act 1. The Trap. In a town kept alive by the graveyard shift, there lived a 32-year-old man named Thomas. His life was a perfect, inescapable loop. Work all night, sleep all day. A paycheck that vanished before it arrived. But Thomas suffered from something worse than poverty, a suffocating feeling of being trapped. His entire existence was out of phase with the world. He was living backwards. He saw life through windows, families at breakfast, people starting their days, and every morning the same haunting thought, will this be my life forever? He'd tried, applied for jobs, but with only a high school diploma, every door was locked. He wanted to learn, but after a 10-hour night shift, his brain was cooked. His only escape was sleep. Then, the call that shattered the loop. His mother was in the hospital. The 3-hour bus ride to his village felt like a journey to the core of his own failure. Something broke inside him, not sadness, anger, a pure, furious anger at his own helplessness. He stepped outside the clinic, into the cold, silent air of 5 a.m. This is the moment, the pivot point. Have you ever had one, where the pain of staying the same finally becomes greater than the fear of change? For Thomas, that moment arrived at 5 a.m. Act 2. The Secret and the System. On the bus back, hopelessness met a miracle. Across from him sat Mr. Chun, a successful businessman Thomas recognized, on a public bus at dawn. When Thomas asked why, Mr. Chun revealed the secret. I wake at 4:30, the hours between 5 and 7 a.m. Those are the magic hours. Let that sink in, the magic hours. Not midday, not the evening, the morning. When the world is asleep, your willpower is untouched and your focus is absolute. Mr. Chun saw Thomas's desperation and offered him a lifeline, not money, but a system. Your life is a house, and right now it's falling apart because you never work on the foundation. The 5 a.m. shift is your foundation time. Then he did the math. 2 hours a day is 730 hours a year. That's 3 extra months of productive life every single year. Here was the non-negotiable system, the exact blueprint. Hour 1, 5 to 6 a.m. Build a skill, something that changes your economic value. For Thomas, it was Excel and accounting, free courses on YouTube. Hour 2, 6 to 7 a.m. Build yourself. 30 minutes for your body, walk, stretch. 30 minutes for your mind, read, plan, apply the skill. And the ironclad rules. 1. No negotiation. 2. Lights out by 9 p.m. And 3. Push through the 21-day hell. I'm giving you 90 days. If you do the work, I'll help you. If you quit, don't call me. Success goes to people who show up when it's hard. Thomas put his only life on the line for a chance to rebuild. Act 3. The Transformation. The first week was agony. His body revolted, his mind screamed excuses, but he remembered his mother's face, Mr. Chun's challenge, his own whispered no more. Around day 21, a miracle. He woke up before the alarm. His body had adapted. The tutorials started making sense. He wasn't just learning Excel. He was building a new identity, brick by brick,
before sunrise. On day 87, the loop broke. The night guard was offered a day job with a desk and double the salary. He called Mr. Chun. The old man's reply was simple. "I knew you would. You had the look. Now remember, this isn't a strategy. This is your life now." The challenge and the science. Thomas's story isn't magic, it's neurobiology. Your willpower is like a muscle, and it's strongest first thing in the morning before the world's demands drain it. The 5 a.m. window is a distraction-free zone. No emails, no calls, no obligations. It's just you and the future you're building. So here is your challenge, the exact one Mr. Chun gave Thomas. Step 1. Tonight, set your alarm for 5 a.m., not 5:15, 5:00. Put your phone across the room. Step 2. Decide now what you will build in hour 1. One skill, one project for the next 90 days. Step 3. Protect your 9 p.m. bedtime. The miracle morning is born the night before. I promise you this, if you do this for 90 days, your life will not look the same. You might not get a promotion in 3 months, but you will become the kind of person who does. Thomas had nothing, no degree, no connections, no luck, just a choice. You have more than he had. You're watching this. You have the internet, the knowledge, the opportunity. The only question is this: will you hit snooze tomorrow? Or will you, 5 years from now, look back at this day as your own 5 a.m. bus ride, the moment everything changed? If you're ready to join the 5 a.m. club, do 2 things right now. Hit that like button. Let that be your first act of commitment. Drop a comment that says, "My first hour is 4," and tell me your skill. Let's hold each other accountable. I'll be in the comments. Share this with someone who's still asleep in their own life, and subscribe because we're building an army of early risers here. Remember Thomas's words, success is not a destination, it's a daily practice, and that practice begins tomorrow at 5 a.m. Your future self is waiting on the other side of that alarm. Don't make them wait any longer.